and nobody can thwart his decision. Hey. No. Heal up. Bring it up.
Welcome back on board to Funky Days Star TV News Time. Today, now about Okorocha and Hope Uzodinma, we will continue to the talk. Now, these two men done the trend. In the news tell us say Okorocha in police custody. Uzodinma already arrested Okorocha. Una know say he get one estate when Okorocha come build during his time. When they claim say the estate say na in wife get the estates. Okay, first of all, I want to use this opportunity to ask Okorocha, say where your wife they work or waiting your wife or your family they do when they build this kind of estate in Imo State. But again, not that Hope Uzodinma is a better governor or Hope Uzodinma is doing any good thing. All right, but these two people, they continue their disagreement because of power. I don't tell them, I say now power tussle when then they do in Nigeria. Okorocha na criminal, Uzodinma na criminal, Uzodinma na governor and also a terrorist from the northern part of the country. So ladies and gentlemen, before we go into this analysis and we go Russian, because all these people, when I know say Okorocha don't be governor before of Imo State, can't rule 8 years, do all the home mago, loot all the home money that belongs to Imo State people. And then now, most of them might take over, continue from where Okorocha stops. Now, the news is Senator Okorocha and Hope Uzodinma's supporters fight, dirty fight in Owerri. Okorocha himself, they claim say more than 1,000 thugs attack him and his entourage, destroy all the whole vehicles that belongs to Senator Okorocha, according to the way when they call Okorocha in Nigeria. So make we just read a little bit, may we see how this fight take on food. Okay, Okorocha now is arrested by Hope Uzodinma. In fact, as I read this article, I see Okorocha inside the police station. Una never starts. Both of una never starts. Una must wound una self. I don't tell una before. APC and PDP, then go must wound their self. But this time around, they can't be like say APC, they fight APC. Okorocha na APC. Hope Uzodinma na APC. When would they tell una say Nigeria, say they cost Nigeria. Una ti say na joke. Unless they divide that country, there will be no peace. Governors go to disturb all of una together. Una go to kill on herself. Hesbin go they come. Boko Haram go they come. Ansaru go they come. ISWAP go they come. Mayati Allah people go they come. All together. So, ladies and gentlemen, I say before we dive into the reading, I want to thank all of una. For those of una who never subscribe, I say make una take this little opportunity when I take come across Funky Days Star TV News. Take, oh yeah, press that button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Make we just read a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. When people said that Nigeria is a cursed country, I doubt not, but to nod and laugh to the statement, which is 90% correct, of a true Nigerian should have their own knifeless due to some laughable things that happens day in and day out, both politicians, celebrities, men and women of God, to the rest of each citizen and comedians of their own. Few days ago, Imo State government said it has recovered Royal Palm Estate on Akachi Road, Owerri, the estate which was allegedly belongs to Nkechi Okorocha, the wife of a former Imo State governor of the state, Rochas Okorocha, the commissioner of lands, Emmanuel Onengbo, disclosed this after leading a team to the said estate on Friday. Just today, 21st of February 2021, Senator Okorocha, the former governor of Imo State, broke into the same estate that was recently recovered and sealed by Hope Uzodinma's government. According to reports, Spring Palm Royal Estate was built by Rochas Okorocha's wife, Norman Nkechi Okorocha, during their regime. Senator Rochas Okorocha broke the entrance of the estate and warned Governor Hope Uzodinma not to near any of his property again. This caused a big clash between the two camps, Rochas Okorocha and Hope Uzodinma's camp, in the capital of the state, Owerri. Vehicles were destroyed and many people left injured. Okay, so now in a picture right here, I can see Okorocha in the police custody, and here are more photos of this their drama. So there is an article, and I will go down there. The news they tell us, Okorocha say in day on handcuff in police station. Okay. Make una dey there the APC and PDP. The Imo State people. From this, make una dey there the APC and PDP. We don't tell them what we tell them before. So now, in this place, Okorocha they tell us say it gets some group of men when they call the thugs. That is the hoodlums, the hooligans, when they use. Now, during the time of election, it gave when they call the thugs when they work for these people. Okorocha get his own thugs. Most of them get his own thugs. All of them get their thugs. So Okorocha tell us now, say an attacker, say more than 1,000 thugs attack him when the Okorocha and his convoy. Can you imagine how intake escape? Somebody when more than 1,000 thugs gather. How possible Okorocha take escape? How is it possible? Say more than 1,000 people. Make you see lies when they this people out. And Okorocha, they never begin attack you. Hope Uzodinma must to get in own. I mean, I hope Uzodinma that one must to still get his own. Ladies and gentlemen, make we read a little bit again. Make we see how 1,000 thugs they attack Okorocha, and then we continue our analysis. We don't tell them say now head to head, bomber to bomber, then they attack themselves until they let the Biafran people go. Okay, I was attacked by more than 1,000 thugs. Senator Okorocha for more than 1,000 thugs armed to the teeth with knives and guns are led by Chinasa Nwaleri, Governor Hopeless Hope Uzodinma Special Advisor on duty today, Sunday, February 21st, 2021, with the backing of armed policemen from Government House, attacked the former governor of the state, Senator representing Imo West Senatorial District, Senator Rochas Okorocha's convoy. They attacked and damaged all the vehicles in his convoy. They also attacked his personal aide. Senator Rochas Okorocha was with only his personal aides when the thugs unleashed the attack. Okay? This one a problem between these people. We don't know how to advise Okorocha or what to tell Okorocha. In fact, then they tell Okorocha in the police station. Then they tell Okorocha, say, who him be? Who Okorocha be? They push his head. They tell us who him be. I mean, the thugs belonging to the opposition man, when be the Hopeless Hope. Okay? Yeah, so we don't tell on about this on a fight before. Say, una go use una hand, wound una self. Nobody go cause the fight when go wound una. Now una go use una hand, deal with una self. You know, they don't tell on before, say, nothing when una come tell us here when we we go even mind any of your people. Because things when Okorocha don't do, the same thing when Hope Uzodinma, they repeat. These two people, their own now to loot and not to do anything. That is why we call them do nothing governors. Then we do nothing people. Their own not okay. Look at how Okorocha take get money, build this kind of estate, worth into billions of dollars. How Okorocha wife, what did Okorocha wife do to get that kind of money? We want to know, because now Okorocha be former governor of the state when be Imo State. We not know waiting be his wife business when the woman go take build this kind of hotel. Even when Okorocha dey into power, this their hotel, this their estate or whatever you call it, or hotel, don't they cause problem already? Because Imo State people say no, we have to fight this man because now our money intake they do all this nonsense when him they do. So now so the matter when concern Rochas, Okorocha and Hope Uzodinma, now so it do. And here that they tell us see the video still there. Make I see whether I go fit see the video so that I will post them here. So the video they online when that they take the escort Okorocha, you will see people carrying gun. You will see people carrying different kinds of arms and ammunition when they follow the Okorocha, the waka up and down. These people, they are not good people. Whether Okorocha cry, whether Hope Uzodinma they claim say na him be the best governor, na him sabi the job, or na him do the job pass, nobody voted for Hope Uzodinma. We don't already see another thing when Hope Uzodinma don't do to his own people recently. Everywhere where trouble there, now hope and hopeless hope that is here. So ladies and gentlemen, now so the matter bill, then they push Okorocha for head, they ask and say who him be. Then one fight Okorocha, then one beat Okorocha. Now Okorocha in police custody. The news they claim say na DSS and SSS, all of them. Now him Hope Uzodinma, they take fight Rochas, Okorocha. Even before, when him be senator, we know how much when Hope Uzodinma embezzle with his family members. Money when they give him for contracts, not be now, before him become. Now, if you know, in this platform, we know the two go read their comments. Everybody, they get good comments. If you see the comment, whether they comment on how bad Okorocha and Hope Uzodinma be, you will shed tears. Good, nice comments. That is to show you, see, the Biafran people, all of them don't open eye. They don't open eye, ladies and gentlemen. That is why they call on our counterparts when the Oduduwa people made them open eye, made them tear eye the way when the Biafran people tear their own eye. Before these Fulani people then go bring down Nigeria. Remember, say the whole governors, when they down Nigeria, they work in collabo with all the whole Fulani herdsmen people. Both the AK, both your governor, all of them, they inside this gig. All of them, they inside this plot. Don't forget about that. So, the Yoruba people, our Yoruba brothers and sisters, you guys have to stand up just exactly the same way the IPOB did. Exactly. So, make una not say, nothing they happen. Something they happen, no, something must to happen. Remember, one news they tell us, say, Buhari not even send birthday message, or love message to her love when be Aisha Buhari. He forgets, according to the news say Buhari forget to send happy birthday to her own acclaimed wife. Okay? One love, everybody. I say make una dey comment too, and make una make sure say una subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed and enjoy the video. Bye.